So you have to be able to provide for your employees, for your business, and be able to make some money on the back end of it all.
Yeah, and I also been creating different categories now that we have a POS system.
Yes.
Like, a person brought in like a bag of socks. It was like so many socks. And socks are light, so we weighed them, and I actually lost money during the socks because we had to pair up all the socks. So now I have a price.
Time spent matching
Now
socks.
I have a price per pound just for socks. I think it's like $2.25 or whatever, because it took my attendant like forever to fold the socks, and I did the calculation. I was like, wow, we lost money on that. Like, and people bring in curtains now. I brought like a commercial steamer. Like, we charge a separate price to do like drapes and curtains and stuff like that, because we hang all those stuff, right? So I've been playing around with just like customized like pricing for like patio cushion covers for the summertime, right? So I've created a whole pricing for that, right? So we've just been having a little bit of fun with it,
and you don't know until they come in and bring something new to you, like what you're gonna try. You're like, okay, let me figure this out now, and then figure out pricing for it going forward. So you may take the loss that first time, but then now you can, with the experience, you can figure it out and go forward. And then we just last month launched pickup and delivery.